Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Paltalk. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to Paltalk and you will click here in this window. Then in this page of app info, you go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next